Red. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah. Hey, the bike.
Your bike okay?
Yeah.
Okay. What else do you see?
What's the red and white?
It is red and white. The mailbox. You're right.
Yeah. Another way.
I'll turn your wheel. There you go.
That's red and gray.
Red and gray.
Yeah. That's red and gray. And that's. Wait. Well, the snow is white too.
The snow is white.
And the and that's the mailbox is red and black.
Red and black.
Yeah.
Yes, that mailbox is red and black.
And white.
And white.
And Stinky Joy.
And stinky and dirty.
Oh, I see O.
Oh, it is. It does look like an O on that tree.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody painted an O.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did.
There it is. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
We go over there.
You want to go over there and look at that O?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think of that?
Okay.
I did.
And we'll cross the street.
That's so great.
Right.
That's
You
so
said
great.
it.
I don't know. It's so great. Play-Doh.
Actually, we're going to cross back over. Because if somebody comes up that hill, they may not see us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. That's it.
Stay on the side for now.
Oh. There it is.
There it is, the O.
Yeah. I don't touch it.
Well, that's this tree. Maybe we'll touch it another day. You have to ask them first.
Yeah. Oh, there's a treehouse.
They have a tree house. Oh, you stopping?
Go. Yeah. Hello. Firefighter.
A firefighter. Very nice.
That was white and red.
Yellow, right? Right. Yellow, white, and red.
Oh, there's another.
What's that? You're strapped in. You can't get off. You can just look.
Wow.
All right, we need to go home and make dinner.
A color.
Yeah, we'll stay for a minute. Here, you're right.
A color. It's a color.
Okay. Let's get back on. We got places to go. Are you on?
Hi, Mr. Color.